Hello, everyone. I really don't know how to start or what to say. Well, welcome to another episode of Nico Life Stories. Medyo ibang vibe tayo today because I am trying to be more connected with you and practice sharing my thoughts because my mind feels like it's gonna explode anytime. I've been doing silent vlogs lately and it feels good at first kasi I've been consistently uploading vlogs every week. But there's something inside me that feels missing. Like I am not satisfied with what I do. I feel like I need to do something more. I feel like I have to be open with what I feel through this platform. But I don't know how kasi I'm socially shy talaga. And I feel like I needed to be perfect or sound smart to belong here. But maybe it's time to face my weakness and turn it into strength. Pero hindi ko i-deny worried ako. Worried ako na baka ma-judge ako or wala nang manood sa akin when I started to speak or be real. Pero gano'n naman talaga, 'di ba? People will always have something to say kahit ano pa yung gawin mo. Because we live in a very judgmental world. So siguro mas okay na maging totoo ka na lang, 'di ba? Whatever happens, at least nagpakatotoo ako, 'di ba? So, dahil nasa-stress na naman ako lately, isa sa mga outlet ko ay tumakbo. I run until maglaylo yung temper ko or until magkaroon ako ng realization na it's okay not to be okay and may divert yung attention ko sa mga simplicity ng buhay or ng paligid para ma-appreciate ko ulit yung mga little things na nakakalimutan kong pansinin pag masyado akong overwhelmed ng emotions. Tinry ko rin mag-ayos ng sarili ko today kasi iba rin yung motivation pag nakikita mong maayos ka sa salamin kahit papano. And then I tried to speak in front of the camera again pero honestly,
ngayon na lang ulit ako nagkaroon ng off ng Saturday kasi alam niyo naman guys, talagang candid.
I don't feel confident yet kaya I decided na hindi mo na isama yung video na yun sa vlog na to. Don't get me wrong, guys. I feel so blessed living here in Japan with my son and husband. Actually, I prayed for this years ago. And now, I am living the dream. I really can't complain. But feeling what I feel right now makes me realize that I am human. And feeling lost doesn't mean that I am ungrateful for the things I have right now. Sometimes it's the cycle. You are doing things over and over again. Naging routine na lang siya every day. And being in that situation, parang walang growth. Parang, am I still growing as a person? Being a mom, a wife, and having a full-time job on weekdays and a part-time job on weekends, sometimes it really feels overwhelming. Nakakalito na rin minsan kung ano bang outlet yung pwede kong gawin just for me to breathe. I am happy sa mga achievements ni Cloud sa buhay niya. Actually, dun ako nagfo-focus these days. I am letting him experience yung mga gusto niyang gawin ngayon kasi nasa stage siya ng pag-explore. And I feel like the best thing I can do for him as a mom is to support him. Recently, he became part of the worship team sa church namin, and even without knowledge of playing a piano, he chose to play. And sabi niya, matututunan ko rin yan along the way kasi may practice naman kami. Honestly, I didn't expect him to say that. Sabi ko, sana ako rin. Sana ako rin magkaroon ng ganong spirit. Spirit of taking the risk and not letting fear stop you from starting something new. I am really proud sa mga changes ni Cloud. And you know, probably the reason why I exist is to be a mom to him. And yun yung isang bagay na nagpapatibay sa akin as a person. Yun yung nagbibigay ng sobrang motivation for me to face whatever I have to face in this life. I love being a mom. Mahirap lang talaga minsan pero it's the greatest gift I have received from God. And God trusted me to be a parent, so hindi ko dapat sayangin yung trust na binigay niya sa akin. I believe God gives something to us kasi He knows we are responsible for it. So, for now, doon na lang muna ako nag-focus. Thank you. Thank you for staying with me today and for listening to my heart. Hindi madali maging totoo minsan. Pero kahit papaano, sharing this with you lightened my heart. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless and see you on the next one.